Hiranyakashyap was a powerful demon king who ruled over the universe with an iron fist. He was arrogant and egoistic, and he forbade anyone in his kingdom from worshipping or even mentioning the name of Lord Vishnu, the supreme deity. Hiranyakashyap's son, Prahlad, was a devout follower of Lord Vishnu. Despite his father's warnings and threats, Prahlad continued to worship Vishnu with utmost devotion. Hiranyakashyap was enraged by his son's disobedience and tried to kill Prahlad several times. However, Lord Vishnu intervened each time, saving Prahlad's life. Hiranyakashyap's sister, Holika, was a wicked and powerful demoness. She had a magical cloak that made her immune to fire. Hiranyakashyap asked Holika to kill Prahlad by taking him into a fire. Holika agreed, and as they sat together in the fire, Holika wrapped her magical cloak around herself. However, Lord Vishnu intervened once again, and a strong gust of wind blew the cloak off Holika's shoulders and onto Prahlad's. As a result, Holika was burned alive in the fire, while Prahlad emerged unscathed. Hiranyakashyap was furious when he learned of his sister's death. He tried to kill Prahlad again, but was thwarted by Lord Vishnu. Finally, Lord Vishnu took the form of a half-man, half-lion avatar, known as Narasimha, and killed Hiranyakashyap. To commemorate the victory of Prahlad and the death of Holika, people celebrate Holi. The festival is divided into two parts. On the eve of Holi, people light bonfires to symbolize the burning of Holika. This ritual is also known as Holika Dahan or Choti Holi. The next day, people celebrate the Festival of Colors, throwing colored powders and waters at each other. This ritual is also known as Rangwali Holi or Badi Holi. Holi is a celebration of the triumph of good over evil, the arrival of spring and the colors of life. It's also a time for people to come together, forget their differences and rejoice. Some common traditions and customs associated with Holi include lighting bonfires on the eve of Holi, throwing colored powders and waters, singing and dancing, eating traditional sweets and dishes, visiting friends and family, playing with colors and waters, applying colors to the face and body, wearing new clothes, exchanging gifts. Holi is celebrated differently in various regions of India. Some notable regional celebrations include Lathma Holi in Uttar Pradesh. In this unique celebration, women beat men with sticks, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Basant Utsav in West Bengal. This celebration marks the arrival of spring and is characterized by music, dance, and colorful processions. Rang Panchami in Maharashtra. This celebration is a 5-day festival that marks the arrival of spring and is characterized by music, dance, and colorful processions. In modern times, Holi has become a global festival, celebrated by people of all cultures and backgrounds. The festival has also become a symbol of love, joy, and celebration, transcending its traditional mythological and cultural significance. Holi has significant cultural importance. It's a time for people to come together, forget their differences, and rejoice. The festival is also an opportunity for people to express themselves, showcase their creativity, and celebrate the colors of life. Traditional Holi food and drinks include gujias, sweet dumplings filled with nuts and dried fruits; thandai, a cold drink made with milk, sugar, and spices; mathri, a savory snack made with flour and spices; namkeen, a savory snack made with nuts and dried fruits; lassi, a yogurt-based drink; jaljiera, a spicy drink made with cumin and tamarind. Holi is celebrated in many countries around the world, including United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, South Africa, Malaysia, Singapore. Holi is a vibrant and joyful festival that brings people together to celebrate the triumph of good over evil, the arrival of spring, and the colors of life. It's a time for love, joy, and celebration.